Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start by using Apple's account recovery path. Open Appleid. Apple, COM or Settings on a trusted device. Enter the Apple ID you remember, then tap Forgot Apple ID or Password. Once done, choose Reset with Email or Start Account Recovery for longer cases. Provide the linked email or phone and follow prompts to send a verification code. If you have two-factor enabled, you'll get a code on your trusted device. Use it immediately. You must verify who you are before changing the password. Enter the code Apple sent to your trusted device or phone. If you have a recovery key or contact, follow those prompts. Once Apple confirms your identity, you'll be allowed to create a new password. Choose a long, unique passphrase and store it securely. Make sure to update the password in iCloud Keychain and on all devices. This prevents lockouts and sync errors across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other services. After resetting, sign in across devices and approve any pending prompts to re-establish trust. If you encounter a delay in account recovery, be patient. Apple sometimes enforces a wait period. Restart the recovery process only if advised and track the estimated time. If verification repeatedly fails, gather device serial numbers and purchase proof, then contact Apple support. They can escalate identity checks. One key tip: if codes aren't arriving, check blocked SMS, carrier settings, and airplane mode before assuming a bigger problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.